It sounds like a CN train is coming at St. Anne de Bellevue Boulevard. More locomotives. And that was the train that was waiting at the holding yard. So I knew this was coming. Just a question of when. And in low light. It's around 6:30 p.m. Oh, look at that, Wisconsin Central. So 6:30 p.m. on the 17th of June 2020. It's the first time I've been here in a very long time. And I like this spot. You get a pretty good view of the trains. And sometimes you get a good meet. So this is in Ville St. Pierre, and behind there is the 20. And they're building the highway, rebuilding it. This train is headed eastbound, and it's going fairly slow because it's going to be ending up in the Turcott Yard, which is probably just a few miles down the line. With 4 locomotives on the front, I'm not expecting a DPU. But this is, it looks like a pretty heavy mixed freight anyway. This train will have gone past Southwark Yard, across the Victoria Bridge probably, and come through St. Henry. And the shadow here is being cast by some condo buildings behind me, which I'll show at the end of the video. You want to buy a condo, you get a good view of the trains. Here in Ville St. Pierre. I was kind of hoping for a meet, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen right now. Auto racks usually are at the end of the train, so we'll see. Oh, look at that. Yeah, these auto racks tend to be large canvases for graffiti people. You can't really say they're artists because all they do is draw lettering. Some is good, but a lot of it is just quite freeform tagging that really doesn't have a real artistic value to it. It's just kind of like signing your name. And there goes the last car, headed east. Sorry, headed west. And these are the condos. So if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.